I got my back to you doing some minor repairs and I had to improvise because I'm not used to doing things on the water and I wanted to minimize the probability of dropping something and having to dive. So we'll see how this goes. Do not try this at home. I hadn't brought my anti-seize paste, so we're working with what we have. Okay, first one. Using some silicone spray until we find proper tools and everything. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, this bolt has damaged threads. I'm not very happy with this bolt. It's not looking very well. Okay. Now I will leave dangerously. Okay, almost good. Let's see about this one. This one has damaged head and it's not moving very smoothly. But I haven't got anything better. I plan to replace these bolts and put some anti-seize paste on the new ones before I screw them in, and preferably get ones with Torx head or at least an Allen wrench head. This is not very reliable in my opinion, the Phillips or JIS. Okay, now I need to put this nut on the opposite end. Let's see how that goes. It's a self-locking nut, but it didn't go all the way. It didn't thread enough. I'm not very happy with it, and that's why I had found it loose, rattling inside when I first disassembled this. And now we'll see if I can at least get a reasonable amount of torque. Very poor quality adjustable wrench, very difficult to work with. That's the difference between paying $4 and paying $14. It's not profitable in the long run using poor quality tools. Okay, we got this assembled and that's good. Now we need to replace the light bulb and then we're done. But the tricky part, at least in my opinion, is done. Now when we get the spare light, everything is now cleaned. Okay, this is not very well cleaned, but this goes back here and we screw it on and hopefully that's it. Hopefully. Okay. Thank you for watching Living Dangerously. Cheers.